Hello everyone and welcome to HowFixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in Dell G5 5587 laptop. To disassemble Dell G5 you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic tool. In the description I leave link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove screw on the bottom cover. Next, take a plastic tool and begin to open the cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can find the replacement battery in your Dell G5 5587 laptop using this part number. In any case, in the description under the video I left link where to buy new battery for Dell G5 laptop. Well, that's all. You were on HowFixIT and see you guys next time.